Have you ever wondered how electricity works? Picture a world without it. No lights, no television, no smartphones, a stark reality, isn't it? Electricity, this unseen force, powers our modern lives. But what makes it tick? It's not magic,
but a set of fundamental principles that govern its functioning. Among these, one stands out for its simplicity and profound implications. It's the cornerstone of electrical engineering, a principle that connects voltage, current, and resistance. It all comes down to a simple but powerful principle known as Ohm's Law.
Now you might ask, what is Ohm's Law? Well, let's break it down. Ohm's Law is a key player in the world of electrical engineering, a rule that connects three critical elements: voltage, current, and resistance. Think of voltage as the force that pushes electrical charge through a conductor. It's a bit like the pressure of water in a hose. The current, on the other hand, is the flow of this electrical charge, akin to the volume of water flowing through that hose. Now, resistance is where things get really interesting. Imagine you're trying to push that water through a very narrow hose. It's going to be tougher, right? That's resistance. It's the opposition to the flow of current in an electrical circuit, and it's measured in units called ohms. So how do these elements interact? That's where Ohm's law comes into play. The law states that the voltage across a conductor is equal to the current flowing through it multiplied by the resistance. In other words, V equals 1 times R. This law tells us that if we increase the voltage, the current will rise, provided the resistance stays the same. Conversely, if we increase the resistance, the current will drop, assuming the voltage remains constant. It's a beautifully simple relationship, and it's fundamental to understanding and manipulating electrical systems. So, with Ohm's law, we can control and manipulate the behavior of electricity in a system. To recap, Ohm's law is a fundamental principle in electrical engineering. This law is named after the astute German physicist Georg Simon Ohm, who first brought it to life. At its core, Ohm's law describes a simple yet powerful relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. Expressed by the equation V equals Y times R, it demonstrates that the voltage across a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it and the resistance it possesses. This law allows us to manipulate and understand the behavior of electrical systems. Whether you're designing a complex electrical circuit or simply changing a light bulb at home, Ohm's law is at play. It's that ubiquitous. If you know two of the values, voltage, current, or resistance, you can easily calculate the third using this law. Remember, understanding Ohm's law is your first step to mastering the world of electricity. Stay curious and keep learning.